guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel Archituber. I'm Architect WebV and I make content related to architecture and interiors. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video, we are going to be discussing about the syllabus of first year, okay, and we are going to be discussing each and every topic semester by semester. So please take a moment and watch the video till the very end because it is going to be very helpful for all the freshers who are willing to join the architecture school. So without wasting more time, let us start with the video. So let us start with our first topic, which is architectural design. This is the most important topic and this is going to be your first year to fifth year topic. It is going to be there in every year of architecture. Okay, so in the first year, here's what you can expect. Okay, so let us discuss about the architectural design. We have first semester and second semester topics over here. So in the first semester, you have introduction to design, theory of design, introduction to model making, color theory and architectural design project. So basically first year is all about you getting the better understanding of the topic and the subject that you are going to be learning. Okay, so theory of design is something that you will be learning about how design has been evolved, and then the design process, then how concepts came into the picture, okay, then form, function, etc. Then you are going to be learning about the model making, okay, and the materials that can be used for model making. Then you are going to be learning about color theory, how you can achieve a color scheme in your design. Okay, then the architectural design project is something you will be giving one project to do in the first semester. Okay, and in the second semester as well, you have conceptual drawings, concept drawings. In this second semester, basically you are going to be learning about more of architectural design. Okay, so the college is going to teach you about the conceptual drawings, how the design process can be done, or the circulation diagram or the bubble diagram. So it is a process. Okay, and then you have a major project. So now let us discuss about the next subject, that is BCM, which is building construction and material. It is again one of the most important subjects because it is going to be there till 5 years of your course. Okay, and it is very important wherein you are going to be learning about different materials, different construction techniques, okay, advanced building materials. Okay, so here's what you can expect from your first year. Okay, so now starting with the building construction and materials, we are all aware of the topic because of the NATA and JEE examination. But to start with first semester, you will be learning about the introduction of the topic obviously, and after that you will be discussing about the types of structures, foundation, different basic building materials in details, okay, and the masonry. So this is something very important. And in second semester, you are going to be learning about some advanced building materials, then types of roofs and coverings, and the joinery and trusses. Okay, so we are going to be discussing all of these in upcoming videos, so please make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Then discussing about the next subject, which is history of architecture. So this is again one of the very interesting subjects if you have interest in history or architecture. Okay, so in this subject you are particularly going to be learning about different periods or eras from prehistoric to the modern day. You are going to be learning about the social aspect of their period, the cultural and religious aspect, the architectural development and the civilizations, etc. Okay, so this topic is not for all the semesters but for I think 3 to 4 semesters. So we are going to be discussing history of architecture in the upcoming videos, and here's what you can expect from the first year. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have first and second semester topic for history of architecture. We have prehistoric period, then we have Nile period, then we have Indus Valley civilization, Vedic civilization, Euphrates and Tigris Valley civilization. So basically we are going to be discussing about the human settlements from the early era, and I have already started posting about the history of architecture. If you haven't watched that video, I will leave the link here on the screen. You can start watching the playlist. Now discussing about the next topic, which is environmental studies and climatology. Okay, so this is again important topic, okay, because from this topic you will be able to understand the construction techniques in different climatic zones. Okay, so particularly in this topic you are going to be learning about the construction techniques in different typologies and different topographies. Okay, so this is again a important topic, and this is what you can expect from this topic. So now discussing about the environmental study and climatology. Basically, in the first year, you will be given some introduction and the fundamentals how climate and environmental factors influence the architectural design. Okay, we will be discussing about the understanding of global climatic zones or the climatic zones in India, or the basic principles of climate and weather. There are so many different aspects of the weather that we are going to be learning, and then the building considerations according to the climate or the topography. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, we have introduction to ecosystems, environment and resources, then biodiversity and conservation, then environmental problems in India, social issues and environment, then institutions and governance, climate or the climatic zones of India. So we are going to be discussing all of them in separate videos. So the next topic is theory of structures. It is also one of the most important topics because it is going to be there till 5 years. So here's what you can expect from the first year from this subject. Okay, so now discussing about the theory of structures. So in first and second semester, you are going to be learning about the theory of structures. Okay, you have theory as well as the problems related to the particular topic. Okay, so first, you have history of structure in design pre and post Indian era. So basically, this topic will help you to understand the fundamentals of structural engineering in relation with the architectural design. Okay, so physical properties, mechanical properties, forces, stresses, etc. So we have different topics, and there are going to be n number of problems or the sums that we have to solve depending on the topic. So the next subject is elective, and it is one of the interesting subject because you get to choose the subject that you want to learn. There are going to be different subjects, they vary, and all of the universities and all of the colleges have different elective subjects that varies on the college and the universities. Okay, so I will leave the screen over here and you can check the electives for yourself and what interests you. Okay, so now discussing about the elective subjects. These are some of the elective subjects that are going to be there in any university, or the subjects may vary, but these are the most common subjects in electives. So you can pick any one for yourself. Okay, so we have architectural psychology, public speaking and communication, architectural photography, architectural sketching, behavioral studies, applied ergonomics and mathematics. You can choose any of the above. Then there's one more subject known as visual representation and graphics. So in the first semester, basically you will be learning about the sketching and drawing techniques, architectural lettering, developing the visual techniques, okay, understanding the complexity of the forms or the solids, objects, then discussing about the geometric drawings and projections, which is included in the subject graphics. Then in the second semester, you have sections of solids and development of surfaces. You will have to make models, then you will have to draft how the elevation will look from left hand side, right hand side, top view, front view, etc. Then we have isometric and axonometric views, fundamental of perspectives and sciography. Okay, now last subject, which is computer applications. In first and second semester, you will be learning about the 2D or 3D softwares, but in first year mostly they will teach you about the 2D softwares, which is AutoCAD. You will be learning about the theory of computer applications or the interfaces of different softwares, okay, and basic commands. So we will be discussing about this as well. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel. And I hope I have given all the information regarding the first year subjects in detail. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, comment, share, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel below. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, please take care and bye.